Hello everyone. I own two Roland VS-2480s. These are the hard disk versions, and I have removed the stock fan, and I'm going to show you how I put in the Noctua fan. So with unit 1, this is the interior. There's the fan. The fan has these little twisty tie things in two spots that hold wires neat inside of it. So you have to use a straight edge or something to cut it. I've cut it, and now that wire, which was just harnessed to the fan, can be moved. But then we still have the other wire, which is the one that powers the fan. And that fan gets its power from the motherboard. So you're going to have to snip that wire at some point. Simply remove some screws. The fan comes off real easy, and you're going to see that it's rather dirty from all its years of use and not being cleaned. This was a used VS that I purchased. This is the Noctua NFR8 Redux 1200, and it's quiet, and it has 3 prongs to the adapter. Now here's the drama. It has 3 prongs and the VS only has 2 prongs. So I purchased a 3-to-2 adapter, and then you stick it onto that, and then now you have the 2 prongs. But well, I'll show you in a second. The size of the 2 end of that 3-to-2 adapter was too big. So I'm still going to end up having to splice wires. Here you go. You're going to see it doesn't fit. Now maybe there is a smaller 3-to-2 adapter, but I wasn't sure of the size, so I purchased the wrong one, I guess. But no worries. All you have to do is cut it. And connect it. So don't throw out the cable that came with the VS. And there are the ends. As you can see, they're kind of raw, and I ended up having to make a makeshift cover. And those are the covers. I used some speaker connector covers and some tape, but made sure it's real secure and it's in there good. So this is the second one. It was much faster build, and I put that in my second unit. And let me tell you, these things are quiet. The only thing that makes noise really is the hard drive fan inside it. So here you go.